and subscribe our channel.
What's up, everybody out in Diecast land? It's Jason back at you, International Diecast Garage. Gonna do a little unboxing today. This is from my friend Ed. He is also known as Alpha Diecast on YouTube, and also I believe that is his name on Instagram. Pulling the old Cobra Tech out. Let's see what we got. This box will barely fit in the frame. I have no idea what Ed has got in store for us today. Should be really exciting. Bear with me, guys. Still new at this. Should have pre-cut this before. Kind of want you guys to see all the action. There we go. Just about got it. Yeah, it just got force. Holy moly. There's a bunch in there. Let's just start right here on the top. Wow. It's got a bunch of stuff in store for us. Nice. We got a treasure hunt. There we go. Delivery. I don't have this one. Man, that one's sharp. I like that. Very cool. Thank you, brother Ed. Nissan Skyline R5. Man, that purple is tight. I have not seen this one yet. He must have gotten a new batch of cars. That's really good. Mazda MX-5. Another great color. Almost reminds me of the Matchbox Parks, National Parks color. Really cool green color. Next up, Batmobile. Oh yeah. Who doesn't like a good Batmobile? Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Next up, Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0. I love the wheels on that. I think these are new. Very cool. El Segundo Coupe. Another neat one. They've been nailing it on these colors. 68, that's awesome too. 20 Charger Hellcat. Man, look at that purple. High metallic. Looking nice. Hadn't found one of those either. Thanks, Ed. You got me a lot of good stuff here. 70 Plymouth Barracuda. Some nice little stripes on the hood. That is cool, dude. Appreciate you, brother. Okay, we got one more card in it. Looks like we got a few loose ones here. One of them's talking to me. That's going to be exciting. Bear with me just a second, guys. Get these all staged here. All right. This This is the last carded one in this haul. Mad Manga. And look, he wants to be free. Crack something, y'all. Mad Manga Police. Man, that's really cool. Love the scheme on that one. The gray's so deep it's almost black. You can see the stripes black. That's killer, dude. Not my favorite casting, but it is beautiful in that color scheme. It may be a new one that I'm gonna have to get into. Nice. Old school here. Oh yeah, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is a Bugatti. Look at that green. Very nice. Really cool. Ooh, another one like that. Got some flames on this one. Nice. 1980 Mattel. I like the yellow windows. Those pinstripe flames are awesome. Looks good with those gold 5 holes. Sweet. Okay, let's check this one out next. Ooh. Don't think I have this one. I think this is the shoebox. Wow, spooky. Flat black with green flames. Ghost Rider. Very cool. Yep, the shoebox. I think it's supposed to be an old Buick. That's what the style is. Man, that's killer. Very cool. My car's name is the Black Widow in real life, so Ed knew I'd dig this. Very cool. Alright, now, what do we have here? Some Matchbox Mopar. Sweet. Very cool. 2018 Dodge Charger. In really sweet purple. I kind of see where you were going there, Ed. I dig it, brother. Those are cool. I'm starting to get more into collecting the Chargers now. And that Matchbox nailed it with this one. Plum Crazy. That'd be the color. Fantastic purple. Love it. And we got another loose Mopar here. Oh yeah. SRT Hemi Blue. This is the 15 Challenger SRT Hellcat. Very cool. Awesome. Now we're getting into some gold. Some EMS and first responder stuff. I dig it. This is a Corgi Junior's Mercedes-Benz 2200 Benz ambulance. Made in Great Britain. Very freaking cool. I like that. Old school ambulance. Nice. Now this was the one that was talking to me a while ago. Ooh, I don't have one of these. Let me get him out and we'll set it off. State Trooper, Unit 32. Man, look at that blue. Mopar, no car. Good looking front end. State Police, SRT. Dodge Charger. This is a Majorette made by Jada Toys. Really cool. This one's got a little surprise. Let me Ain't that sweet. Dude, thanks a lot, brother. That is so cool. Happy to have that in my Mopar collection and my police cruisers. What do we have here? Six Cardiff City Fire Service. I have not seen this one before. Got a completely detachable little ladder up top. Nice little hose reel. CCFS. Cardiff City Fire Service. Got some rubber wheels. This one is called Days Gone. Made in England. But I can't read that. Glado. Dually on the back. That is really cool. Solid piece. Thanks a lot, Ed. That is neat, dude. I'm gonna enjoy that. Now look at this big house. Whoa. That is a big ambulance. Global Medical Response Solution, American Medical Response. Got some nice colors on that. Big old box. Let's see where this comes from. This is a green light. 2013 Durstar, number 548. Dually. Too cool. I like it, brother. That's big. It's about real scale for the type truck it is. It's big international. That is sweet. Well, guys, gals, friends, family, hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. That was a really cool box. Thank you so much to my friend Ed Diaz. His YouTube is at Alpha Diecast. ALPHADIECAST. I think that's also his name on Instagram. You guys, he's got a lot of cool videos, a lot of great diecast stuff listed, doing new videos every day. Ed's also got a whole catalog of really great books available on barnesandnoble.com. He just did this one recently, the Chevelle Wagon Collector's Guide. Super cool. That's his logo right there. Definitely give him a shout if you hadn't checked him out before. There's the ISBN in case you happen to be into Chevelle wagons. I enjoyed it, guys. Hope you did. Let me know some things you'd like to see in upcoming videos. Hope everyone's doing good out there. Take care. Be kind to one another. And I'll catch you on the next one. This is Jason with International Diecast Garage signing off once again. Peace, guys.
Like and comment and subscribe our channel.